Hey guys, Mix here, and today, as you can see, we are back with the engine from the RM125 build series, and it's been a while since we've done it just because it's been at the shop, and I decided to bring it back, and because I never get to go to the shop a lot, I really can't get there a lot, so in order to make more videos and get this build done more swiftly, I decided to bring it back. And yes, whenever we're not working on this, it's going inside. I'm not leaving this outside. So before I get comments, just going inside. I'm only going to work on it when, you know, obviously it's not raining. But anyway, as you guys know, we were having this problem with this bolt just being totally shot, not coming off with anything, just rounding out. And if you guys saw last video, I tried destroying it, you know, with the Dremel, and it wasn't working. So I picked up a pair of these needle nose vice grips to tighten around it. A lot of you guys were saying to use these, so I bought a pair. And I'm gonna try and tighten it down. And also we have a propane torch. Sean is also here. And he provided the torch part. And then we just ran out to the store and got the little propane tank. Then we got the lighter to ignite it, obviously. We're gonna try and heat this up, and then once it's hot, we're gonna tighten the vice grips around it as tight as possible because it is really tight in here. So we gotta get a good angle at it, and then just try and loosen it up, try and snap it off. So take out all these paper towels and everything so they don't catch on fire. I'm gonna wipe this all out just so if there's leftover oil, like right there, or any gas or anything, so it doesn't light on fire while we're heating this up. Safety first. We need to find a lighter that actually has juice in it, so we'll catch you guys back once this thing is lit up. Alright guys, so as you guys saw, we couldn't get this thing lighted, and lit, whatever. And it turns out that it was just this nozzle, so that one wasn't working, and now this one works. So this is what we're going to be using to heat up that bolt. No luck with it. I'm going to retry it, maybe get a little hotter, and then we'll see what happens. So I'm definitely making it hot this time. Make sure I don't want to scorch any of the walls behind it, but I see like little oil coming out between the threads. If this doesn't work, I don't know what will. That should definitely be hot enough. Several attempts later, this bolt is not giving up. It is not coming off, not even budging. So I honestly am just a loss for words. So I'm not even sure what to do right now. Alright guys, so we're gonna take a break from this stupid nut because we have a friend that's gonna come over. Maybe he has a tool to do it. So we're just gonna see what that. But in the meantime, I'm gonna show you guys some of my wheelie practice that I've been having. With the old Solex in the back. Oh yeah, with the old Solex. Nah, but with the old pit bike. And I'm trying to get a little bit better. You just see how I am. Why the rear brake keeps getting hit, it's because it's kind of bent into a very terrible position. So right when you put your foot, so right when you put your foot on the peg, it instantly hits it. So I'm gonna have to bend that back. So if some of you don't know already, if you're a new viewer to the channel, and if you're wondering why this engine is coming apart, it's because of this. If you listen in, that noise, if you hear, is not the piston. It is the bearings on the crank. So I'm gonna be replacing the crank bearings along with the crank seals because this thing smoked insane while I was running. And yes guys, I know that 2 strokes are supposed to smoke, but this was next level smoking. And you guys know it didn't sound good when it was running, so it definitely needed this rebuild. And snazzy. Notice that some of you guys have been asking about the Solex, the little moped that I got. I got it to fire. I didn't bother recording just because I just did little things. I just cleaned up the spark plug, which is under there because it didn't have any spark. But I got it to fire. It won't stay running no matter what. I was also having problems with the little pulley that's under there that goes to the front tire. to spin the engine over. I fixed that, so now that works, but it just won't stay running. It might be something with the fuel, it might not be getting enough. I just been using starter fluid, and I'm just using a little bit, sometimes mixing fuel, you know, obviously with the oil because this is a 2-stroke, and seeing what would happen, but it'll just pop sometimes, and then that's it. So guys, I'm gonna be ending the video here. This video needs to get up today. Sorry it was a short video. I'll make it up to you guys. I was really hoping to get off that nut today and you know, continue on and make this video a little bit longer, get more done. Unfortunately, there's always that one bolt, like I always say. But thanks, Sean, for letting me borrow your torch. Try and give it a go. Well, once that is off, we're going to be working on it hard, splitting the cases, you know, replacing all the parts that would need to get replaced.
Putting gummy bears in it.
Yeah. But once that's done, then we're going to continue on with the RM rebuild, because, I mean, everything's basically on that needs to go on, and then this other stuff basically goes on when the engine goes on. Yeah. So she'll be ready to rip soon. Hopefully if that bolt just comes off. So we'll just see what happens. Check out my social media, Snapchat and Instagram mainly. They'll be on the outro of this video if anything comes up with this engine or any news or anything like that. But anyway guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please subscribe, like, comment, tell your friends about the channel. Thanks for watching.